In this video, I will show you step by step how to add voice in Pictory AI. So let's just say you were working on a video and you want to incorporate a voice inside that. On the left side, you can see we have our audio section, and using this we can easily incorporate our audio. First of all, you need to select the language. Let's just say English. Select the accent. Let's just say it is going to be US, age, purpose, and gender. So once you go with these options, you're going to be simply choosing the voiceover. So let's just say you choose Abby or Adam. So you can easily go with any of the options. You can generate and apply, and it will be adding your script to the your basically generated video. So once you play it, it is going to be playing in that audio. So make sure that you have your script nicely added over here. This part is important to generate your audio. And by the way, you can get 40% off onto their plans using the link in the description below. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.